Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're trying on another Aloe Yoga viral item. These are the low-key sweat short, and we're trying them in Oatmeal Heather in a size extra small. Now I do have these in the Red Hot Summer, and we unboxed them and tried them on the Fashion Try-On as well, and that is why I've purchased them today. They were just the perfect short. So here is the front of them. What is that? Okay, well that's a little dirty. There is the Aloe Yoga hit right there, and it does have a little fray. It does have pockets. There is a loose thread. Wow, I'm not winning this one. The pockets are lined, so that is really nice. These are the most comfortable shorts, and I will say that they held up in the wash. So here is the back. They're just really plain. Inside you have a drawstring, and you have this kind of material. This is the pocket material. And then you have these really long ties, and they do say Aloe Yoga on them. It's a little strange of a logo, and it's not their logo, which is, you know, lowercase. So I think that's just kind of a detail that you miss. But in any case, here is the tag, so you can take a look at what it's all made of, and that's kind of it. So let's go ahead and pop these on. All right, as I mentioned, I do have these in the Red Hot Summer color, and I originally thought that the color was kind of everything, but trying these on and seeing the fit and really enjoying how they look, I do think it's just the style of the short. Now, you could argue that they look kind of common or kind of basic, but if you are an Aloe fan, they're really a staple. Like, you really can't go wrong. And I think they look great with black, with white, with a matching Oatmeal Heather top or anything of the sort. Of course, you can wear them without rolling them over, or roll them over for kind of like a shorter, more, you know, cutesy look. But overall, a really great pick. Let me know if you like them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.